All right, what's going on, you guys? Today, again, talking about the DJI NEO. Today, we're going to be talking about the very best feature on this drone. I just came out with a video about the very worst thing about this drone that seemed to offend a lot of people for some reason. So hopefully this video kind of appeases those people that got so offended by the fact that I thought the NEO had a worst feature that I talked about. So today, we're going to be talking about the very best feature on the DJI NEO. All right, there are many things that I think this drone does really, really well, and many reasons why I think this drone is worth buying. The 4K video capabilities are better than any rival drone from different brands, and the footage quality in general is impressive in my opinion. So there's that. The QuickShot modes available on this drone are absolutely fantastic. They work really well. Direction track works really well in avoiding obstacles. Even though it doesn't actually have obstacle avoidance, so that works. QuickShot features are nice. Even the manual flight in the smartphone control or controllerless operation is great. So there's many positives about this drone. But the very, very best feature that I have found with this drone is the way that it can capture audio and video at the same time. That's the way that I'm filming this video. It is so incredibly convenient, this feature that is, when creating content, to be able to just throw the drone up and talk to your phone and not have to do really much audio overlaying later in post, or creating, maybe doing a voiceover later on, doing your own audio separately. You don't have to do that, and that is so incredibly convenient. So obviously when it records audio for you, it's not capturing the noise of the drone, which is pretty loud. So it cuts that out on its own. So all you get is the audio recorded from my smartphone microphone. It's not the best sounding audio you've ever heard, but it's pretty crisp. So it's great to work with. And I think it's plenty high enough quality for general video production. It's also worth noting, I guess this is kind of obvious, but since it's your phone that's recording the audio, your proximity to the drone isn't going to matter. So obviously I got it in spotlight mode, so it's not going to follow me right now. I can back away. I can run away, I can turn around, and we're probably picking up some wind noise there, but the audio quality is not going to change as I get farther from the drone because it is the phone that is recording the audio. All right, so I mentioned earlier not having to do much audio overlay when you're editing your videos. You will have to do a little because the way that this drone records audio and obviously and video, so it's going to have, once I record this video, it's going to be internally stored on the drone in the form of a video file and an audio file, two separate files. So all I have to go do is go into my video editor, which is CapCut, is the one I use. I'll import the video and I'll import the audio file, and it's super easy to match up because the drone recorded both versions, audio and video, of the content. Super easy to match up to get in sync, and I'll show you exactly how I do that in post, how to overlay the video and the audio, and it just takes a couple seconds to do so.
Alright, so here I am in CapCut, which is the software that I use to edit my videos. You can see here I've imported a video file and an audio file. The DJI NEO will save two files per video of the exact same name. One is an M4A file audio and one is an MP4 video file. Down here I have this video and this audio file imported, and all you have to do to overlay your sound is take the audio file and make sure the rear edge lines up with the video. So right here I have my auto snap turned on for CapCut. You see auto snaps there. Let it go, and now my video and audio will be perfectly in sync in a very, very easy way.
All right, all in all, I really hope that you guys agree with me on this feature and how useful it is. It's really all I have for the video is just talking about the best feature on this drone, in my opinion, and that is the fact that you can record video and audio simultaneously. I think it's incredibly useful. So go ahead and drop a comment down below about your experience with the NEO. Maybe you agree that this is the best feature, or maybe you think there's another feature. Maybe you love this drone, maybe you don't. Let me know down in the comments. One little disclaimer is, obviously, your experience with this drone will be completely different if you use the DJI RC controller or you have motion controller and goggles and you fly it true FPV, then maybe the best feature will be something else. But I'm just flying this drone without a controller or with my smartphone. So that is my experience. This is the best feature on the drone. It's audio recorded capabilities. Guys, thanks for watching. Make sure you tune into my coming DJI NEO videos. I'm going to be flying this thing a lot, making a lot of videos. So thanks for tuning into this one. Make sure you tune in the future. Thanks, y'all.